Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us, make sure it's not your last. Hit that subscribe button and toggle on that bell. That way you'll be notified when our next great video comes out. Can't watch it though because it's not even out yet, so stick around here. Got a great episode here for you. Recently we cleaned the Plenum Chamber out on this SH9 Forester. It was unreal the amount of rubbish that came out of it. In fact, I've got it here in front of me. Right, look at that. That's a juicy nugget. Now, as promised, going to follow up that little chore with another one here today. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be cleaning out the Plenum Drains because I expect them to be full of this stuff as well. So it's going to be pretty simple. Going to be a dirty job. Put some old clothes on. Come with me. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so all the water from the Plenum Chamber finds itself into the inner guard, runs down the plastic inner liner, and then it runs out at the bottom here. Okay, so any rubbish that follows its way down with that water gets trapped in here, in the bottom of the guard and the bottom of the side skirt and everything. And you know, it pretty much stays wet, and then it rots down, and then you're going to get these panels rust out. Anyway, so it's real easy to get to. Easiest way is just to start the car up and turn this wheel out. It gives us room to just pop the bottom of the inner guard off. Right, like that. It's going to give us plenty of room to work. I'm going to get a bucket, catch what comes out, see if we can break some records. Alright, so we just undo these plastic scrivets. And 4. Now this inner guard should just swing away. And look at all that rubbish that's packed up in there. Now it'll be right back along here, okay? So what we're going to need to do is dig all that out. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is hit it with the garden hose from inside the open door and shoot it up along the sill. Hopefully it goes in the bucket and not all over the garage. Well, someone in the bucket. Alright, so it's definitely a lot more clear up in there now. So I think we'll just put it back together and call that a day. Certainly had a lot of mud come out of it. I'll try and drain this water off and see how much we actually got out later. So all we do is we just fit this back up. Just pop the flap in where it rolled out. There we go. And just push the scrivets back in. Let's go do the other side. Alright guys, nice and clear down there now, so let's just pop the skirt back in. Alright guys, well, there it is. That's the stuff that come out of the Plenum gutters. So let's add it to our original Plenum Chamber pile and see how much we got in total. Look at it. bit more in there that can be bothered scraping out. But look at it, that's a big pile. That's unreal. The amount of weight I've trimmed down in the front of this car now, I'm going to feel like cold trickle. It's going to be great. Anyway, so that's how easy it is, guys, to clean the plenum gutters on a SH Forester. Most cars are fairly similar the way they're put together, especially Subis. So you can probably use this guide for other vehicles as well. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up this episode. So thank you once again for tuning in, and please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. I'm Nev, this is my garage, and I'll catch you later. That's disgusting.